There are 6 key elements to look out for when assessing the health of a beach and sand dune ecosystem. Beach access pathways should be narrow and S-curved. Ideally, a beach access pathway should curve in the direction opposite to the prevailing winds to prevent erosion due to wind scouring. As a resident, you should share beach access pathways with your neighbors and the community if possible. The less disturbance through the sand dunes, the better. Sand dunes should be densely vegetated with many diverse species. Native plants support Lake Huron's native insects and wildlife and require little to no maintenance. If you intend to plant grasses or wildflowers next to or within a sand dune, reach out to the Lake Huron Coastal Center to ensure you are planting the most beneficial species. In a healthy beach and sand dune ecosystem, there should be an incipient dune, a fore-dune, a swale zone, and a back dune. And the type of vegetation should vary throughout the sand dune profile, with pioneer species growing in the incipient dune, plants that prefer drier soil growing in the elevated fore-dune and back dune areas, and plants that prefer wetter soil growing in the depressed swale zone. There are many native plants that you may observe in a healthy sand dune ecosystem. The Lake Huron Coastal Center's Dune Planting Guide outlines the native and invasive plants that are commonly found in sand dune ecosystems along the Lake Huron shoreline. Cobblestones, driftwood, and dead plant material help capture blowing sand along the shoreline, which helps create sand dunes and habitat for Lake Huron's coastal wildlife. Removing debris from the shoreline can lead to flat, wet beaches and put coastal wildlife at risk. A beach with natural debris is a healthy one. Sand dunes should be free from unnecessary disturbance. Storing beach accessories in a sand dune damages vegetation and can create a fragmented environment. Fire pits, tables, chairs, and swings should not be situated within a sand dune, and canoes, kayaks, paddleboards, umbrellas, and beach toys should be removed from the beach when not in use.